Alright, so I got a Kia Optima.
Because you know they're gonna add more things.
2012. The wheel bearing. So I'm just gonna show you. Took the caliper off, 2 bolts. Then I took the caliper bracket off, 2 bolts. Then I popped my tire rod out, popped my wheel sensor out. Then I popped these 2 bolts out right here, and I popped my axle nut off. Then I went ahead and popped my 2 nuts off of there, and my bolt was the easiest thing for my ball joint. I pulled the whole thing out here. This is a press in, and it's just because the wheel studs broke, which is some dumb shit. But you gotta pop this clip out of here. Then you gotta throw it in the press. Press this middle piece out. It's gonna be out. You're gonna flip it over, the piece gonna be gone. I'm gonna show y'all. And there's another piece you gotta push out the other way. Push it out like that. And then you gotta press the new one in through the back. And then you gotta press the spindle back on.